Guys, October is coming to an end and every Bitcoin investor and especially every trader is asking the same question. Are we going to see the $50,000 level first for Bitcoin and the continuation of this bull run actually only in the beginning of this year? Or can we expect that Bitcoin will immediately reach the $80,000 level in the next couple of weeks, maybe already in the month of November? Guys, let's talk about that. I will tell you exactly what to keep an eye on. As you know, we talked in my last video about the bigger picture. If you haven't seen that video, I highly recommend watching it, as you will then understand a little bit better why these two scenarios are still very valid in our overall and bigger picture. So watch this, but anyways, it's not highly important because I will tell you exactly what also to look out for on the smaller time frame. So it's just important that you have the basic understanding that both of these scenarios can actually play out. Still, if you want to have the explanation why, watch this video. Anyways, subscribe, activate the bell, leave a thumbs up. Thank you very much for the support. Let's jump into the charts, because as you know, on the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, as we predicted in our last video, it is continuing to go a little bit lower because the corrections that we have seen here in the past were between 50 and 40% so far. Right now we can expect a little bit of a lower correction as the market is growing bigger and conditions have changed a little bit, as also our high and our growth between the last two highs got completely changed, right? We had a lower high actually, and at the end of the day, this Ethereum Bitcoin chart, we still want to see that this turns around, because this will show that the retail is back and that a lot of money from Bitcoin is also flowing into altcoins. It is already some of it with the Sui hype, with Solana, with the meme coins, but still Ethereum will definitely pull back up in an altcoin season. It has been underperforming against Bitcoin as expected and as also happened in the past. Anyways, when it turns around, this is most of the time the sign that the bull run will continue. And for the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, it still could take a moment, but we are already as far corrected that it could happen any moment. So now we are just waiting for the right indicators to happen. One of them is the USDT dominance. We still want to see that USDT dominance breaks below this 5% level and stays below it, right? We had a lower here, we had a lower low here, and why is that not working? We had a lower low here and we are still waiting for it to cross this lower low again, because this will definitely make room for Bitcoin to go down on the weekly time frame for the USDT dominance down to the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and this definitely opens up for Bitcoin to break out to the $80,000 level. Why am I talking about the $80,000 level and nothing higher? Guys, it's pretty much simple for now. This is my short-term price target. Why? We have very strong resistance on the monthly time frame. This is this yellow upward sloping resistance that is still above us in the next monthly candle. So even if we wick slightly above it and then correct back below it, we would still theoretically have a little bit of an M pattern forming. We would have a bearish narrative, but we still would have reached the $80,000 level. Again, guys, watch the big picture video so you understand a little bit better why it's still possible that even at $80,000 the price reverses again. So we want to be prepared for a scalp. Why am I saying the $80,000 level? Because if we are breaking above this important monthly resistance that I've just shown you here, right? And we have a bullish breakout above that and the monthly candle closes above that, I have a beautiful long position that I could potentially scale into and create a swing long position for a final run up here to the $100, $120, $130,000 for this bull run, right? Or if we are then getting rejected and I see that the monthly candle is again closing below, I can still take profits and close that long and jump into a short scalp or short hedge, more to say, with these profits. So this is what I'm keeping an eye on, and to know if this is going to happen, the bullish $80,000 scenario, guys, just keep an eye on the weekly time frame. As you can already see, the next important weekly resistance is at the $97,500 level. We will definitely and most likely reach that on the weekly time frame within the next month, in the case that we can see a bullish confirmation now here, and this would happen in a very simple scenario and something that you can just keep an eye on. First of all, as said, if you want to know if we then from $80,000 will just continue this bull run, keep an eye on the Ethereum Bitcoin chart and the USDT dominance, what's going to happen at the 0.618 here. And on Bitcoin, just keep an eye out till the end of the week. If we can form a higher high, we need to close a weekly candle above these old closes, as we had a beautiful downwards sloping resistance. We have broken that to the upside. We have retested this, and this is not a confirmed breakout yet. It only becomes a confirmed breakout if we close above the old high points. And If you want to know on the smaller time frames, what can I keep an eye on right now? Nothing. We are exactly at the price level that needs to be broken to the upside. It is the $69,000 to $70,000 price range. And if we break above that, it is very likely that Bitcoin can continue its run up to the $80,000 as already said. So this is what I'm keeping an eye on to also potentially open a new long position. I will update you if I open a long. I also told you guys that I'm uploading a video today here in my exclusive content on Levex. It's completely for free. You just need an account on Levex. If you are signed up with another YouTuber's link, or if you already have an account, it doesn't matter. Just go to the search bar, search for CryptoMo. You will find me, my creator profile, and you can follow it. And then you will get these updates here in your sidebar as exclusive content. So check that out. I'm just posting updates there on my trades live, as I cannot upload a video on every small trade decision I always make. Anyways, you know my game plan, you know what I'm keeping an eye on, you know what I'm expecting, and depending on what the USDT dominance does and the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, I will do a big or small long position. And for sure, on the other hand, if we are not able to break out, if this weekly candle closes bearish, I mean, we need to prepare for the scenario of the 50,000, but right now it is looking not all too bad. And as we are exactly at the price level to confirm the breakout, let's keep an eye on that and see if we can confirm that till the end of the week. Now, guys, make sure to subscribe, activate the bell, leave a thumbs up. We are going to see us in the next video. Till then, see you. Bye bye.